PLC Network here with another unboxing. What we have today is a hard drive from Western Digital, one of our favorite drive companies out there. But what we have today is the WD, Western Digital, Elements external USB 3 hard drive here that's 8 terabytes in capacity. It's a lot of space. You can store a lot of stuff on that, which is really cool. So it's kind of like one drive to rule them all when it comes to capacity. But what we're going to do today is we're going to open this up and we're going to see what this drive comes with. What does it look like, and then see if this is something you might want. We'll have a link in the description on where you can find this, as well as a story at plcnetwork.net once we've tested it out to see what we like about it. So inside the box, everything is really simple. It's a hard drive. It's like any other external hard drive. You're going to have your power brick here for powering the hard drive up, and it's simple, straight to the point. Looks like a lot of other external hard drive power adapters. You have a USB, it's a USB 3.0 cable for connecting the drive to your computer with and getting good speeds with. You have a document here that just unravels here and unfolds at least, and kind of just gives you the rundown in terms of tiny small print about the warranty and all that fun stuff, and as well as some of the specs and codes and whatnot in relation to the drive. And then of course you have the drive. And again, something that looks like a lot of the other drives. If you've ever looked at a Western Digital drive, an external drive in the past, it looks a lot like, you know, the other Element models, as well as the MyBook series and so forth. But it's got a simplistic kind of book-like design to it, rounded on one side, flat on all of the other three. And then on the back you have the USB 3 cable, the connection here, and then you have the power connector right there. You also have a laptop lock for Kensington style generic, or not generic, but the kind of the industry standard for laptop locks, kind of locks. So you can lock this and secure this to a surface like a desk in case, you know, this is something that's going to be sitting around, let's say at work or school or something. Then you have a button there to power it on, a little manual power button once it's all plugged in. That's it. So it's an 8 terabyte Western Digital Elements external hard drive, USB 3. It's a lot of capacity, and we'll have a whole story about this later on the website at plcnetwork.net, where we've covered a lot of Western Digital's hard drives, both internal and external, and other brands as well, of course, like Seagate and everything else. So go check it out, plcnetwork.net. But if you think this is something for you, we'll also have a link to the drive directly in the description below the video down there. And if you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe with the button that's also down there, as well as the comment section down there in case you want to reach out and talk to us, or talk to each other, or just simply talk to yourself, whatever floats your boat. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.